I have had a lot of questions about where do I get started? What do I do? Where's all the information for my class? So this video is going to walk you through kind of the start of your day and the start of your algebra class. Every day you want to start at our PSD Global Academy homepage and go from there. You'll then click on Students and go to Blackboard. You will then log in just using your normal credentials, the same way you log in and check your email or log into one of the computers here on school. Once you log in, you will see a list of your classes. You won't have this many classes, but you should see all the classes that you are enrolled in Blackboard. You'll then want to click on your algebra class. First step is always read any announcements that I've posted. Here you can find opportunities for extra credit, any extra information that will help you work through the assignments that you have for the week. This is just the best place to start. If you have not already, make sure you click on this information button and read through the syllabus and the orientation. This should give you an idea of what to expect in this class throughout the semester. If you have any questions, please just contact me and let me know. The next place you'll start is Unit 1. When you click on Unit 1, you'll see many different things. This class is divided into 2 units for the first semester, so this first unit should take you several weeks. We always want to start at the top and continue moving. So I will click on this, which will open a new tab. The first page of this tab will explain the assignments that you will be doing. You can get to the next page either down here at the bottom or using the breadcrumbs at the top. Now here is the material and the meat of this class. Every lesson will have a warm-up. This is something you need to complete in your notebook. It will not be collected for a grade, but I will check it when you have your notebook checks. The warm-ups are here just to get you thinking about math. So once you've completed your warm-up, it should only take you 3 to 5 minutes probably. Then you're going to read the material. While you're reading or watching the videos that are posted, this is where you're taking your math notes. Now make sure that any words that are unfamiliar to you, those go in your notes. Any examples that are worked through, those also should go in your notes. You will also see down here at the bottom, this is where we complete that assignment. So I go back to my Blackboard page and I see the assignment file. I open the PDF that is attached and I can see my assignment. Now there are many ways to complete these assignments. You can print this PDF and do all of your work on there. If you don't have a printer, you can do this in your notebook. The biggest thing is to make sure that you label your notebook with traffic jam and then show all of your work. Once you've completed the assignment to the best that you can, you feel you have all of your thinking on that paper, we go back to our Blackboard and we submit this assignment. This is what the submission page looks like. I don't want you to write all of your work in the submission box. It's really hard to type math and it's really hard for me to read your assignments if they're submitted this way. So once you've completed this assignment, either on this PDF paper that you've printed out or in your notebook, you need to either scan it to your computer and save it, or take a digital photo and save it to your computer. Then when you are here trying to submit it, all you have to do is go to Attach File and browse your computer for that assignment. Once you have that done, all you do is hit Submit, and the assignment will come to me so that I can grade it. You will notice that there are certain assignments that are labeled assignments, and certain assignments a little further down labeled problem sets. Now there is a difference between these two. Assignments are things that are much more open-ended. These are where I really want to see your math thinking. I want to see how you approach the problem and what you end up thinking about it. So there could be several possible answers. Problem sets are more like your typical math homework. It's some questions that have a right and a wrong answer. I also want to see your thinking on these as well. Please don't just give me the right or wrong answer. Show me your work or explain to me how you got the answer you did. You will not receive credit for the assignment if you don't show me your thinking or explain your thinking to me. So now your next question is probably, what am I supposed to do this week or today? Because I said there's only 2 units in this semester, I don't know how to break that down. What you will do is click on this class calendar button. Now remember, you won't have this many classes, so this class calendar is a little bit crazy. Everything for the week is due on Sunday by midnight. So you have the whole week to do that. So you can click on the Sunday that's coming up and then click on the class. This is Algebra 1A, so I click on that. I see down here the 2 assignments that I have to do this week are traffic jam and delivery trucks. This is not the only things that are being done this week. I also have to make sure that I'm reading through the material, watching any videos that are in the sections that I'm supposed to be at, and taking notes. But these are the 2 assignments that are going to be turned in for points. And you can see that if we look at the next week, on that Sunday, we have Quiz 1.1, 2 more assignments, and Quiz 1.2. All of this is the work that is done throughout the week. It's up to you to determine the best times during the week to spend on math. Just know that all of this is due Sunday at midnight. My advice is don't wait until Friday to start math. Do math early in the week because math gets very difficult. And I want to help you, but I can't if it's over the weekend and I'm not at school. So if you start your math early in the week and get stuck, please contact me with questions. Also in the information button, you saw that you will be completing a Google Site question every week. That should be the last assignment that you do in the week. Please watch the following video on how to make your Google site and how to answer those questions. I hope that this video has at least explained a little bit of how to get started and what we should be doing.